Hello and welcome. Today I will show you a trick of using elements in Adobe Illustrator and use them directly in Adobe Photoshop. And also an option to adjust any modifications in Illustrator and it will be applied in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. But first I would like to invite you to subscribe in my channel. I make videos of Photoshop tutorials and graphic design in general. So if you are interested, make sure to subscribe in the channel and let's get started. I have this poster here. And I want to add icons and some informations of the product in this area around here. And for me, to do that, I preferably using Illustrator for that. It's easier to dealing with icons and texts and the elements, and also you can adjust them, align them more easier than Photoshop. So mainly how to do that. So we go to Illustrator and the icons that I want to add is right here. Amazing. So what we're gonna do mainly is select the elements that you want to pass in your design, copy them by going to edit and then copy, or you can use the shortcut of Command C or Control C for Windows users, and then go back to your design and hit paste, or you can use Command V as well. So this window will pop up. And mainly these are the options that you can pass your design or the elements you used in Illustrator. You can pass them as normal layers, or you can pass them as a smart objects, or you can pass them as pixels or path if you used path, or you copy the elements that contains path, or you can pass them as shape layer. So for me, I'm gonna use smart objects because this will give you the ability to make any adjustments later. I will show you how. So yes, you click smart objects, you click OK. Amazing. Now the elements that we copied is right here. So just place it, adjust it, and then click OK, or you click enter. Amazing. Now we have the icons copied here. As you can see, the titles are not adjusted very well. So for me, I want to adjust the titles, the text or the text here. So what we're gonna do mainly, now you can quit Adobe Illustrator. So yes, what we're gonna do mainly is double click on the thumbnail here. And you click authorize and automatically you will see that Adobe Illustrator is launching. And here we are. We have a window in Illustrator and with the elements that we have copied. So now what we're gonna do mainly is to adjust the changes that we're gonna do. For me, I have all the elements here, so I will just copy paste them. Okay, so I've just finished the adjustments here. So in order to apply these adjustments directly in the poster that we have in Photoshop, the only thing we're gonna do mainly is go to file and save it, or you can use the shortcut of Command S. And here it is. All the adjustment that we have made in Adobe Illustrator is now on our design. And also, these changements can be on the colors. So if you want to adjust, for example, the colors, you can adjust the color and then click Command S, and the changements will appear directly and automatically in our design. So yes, mainly this is it. Like and follow and see you in the next tutorials.